It is hotter than Satan's pajamas in here. Oh my God. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassidy, otherwise known as Curls and Eyeliner, and today I am giving you winged out, smoked out Valentine's Day goodness. So if you want to see how to get this classic look with a twist for Valentine's Day, keep on watching. Alright guys, let's jump into the tutorial. So, gotta get my eyebrows on. I'm using this concealer to carve out the bottom of my brows and to prime my lids. So let's zoom in a little bit closer. I am taking the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. Now that my lids are primed, I'm going to take this Morphe 35W palette. I haven't used her in a while. So to set the concealer that I put down, I am taking this taupey brown shade right here, and I am setting all over, starting from the brow bone and working my way down. You know, this just ensures that your shadows blend seamlessly. Now I'm taking this orange shade next to it and a fluffy blending brush, and I'm using this as my transition shade. So I am following the natural curvature of my eye, and I'm laying down the shape I want. So I'm winging this out, and then I'm going back and forth into my crease. Now to deepen up the crease, I am taking this deep chocolatey color and going in with another fluffy blending brush and just following that same shape that we made with the transition color. And we're using a very, very light hand. Now taking a gel liner, this one is by Smashbox. It's always on gel liner in fishnet. And I'm going to map out my wing with this. And you just want to follow the shape of the shadow that you put down already. And there's our shape, and then we want to go ahead and fill it in. And now taking an angled brush in the black shadow of this palette right here, and we're going to start smoking out the top of this liner. And now taking another eyeshadow brush and dipping into the black and the brown. We're just going to go right back over where we started smoking it out. All the way in to the inner corner, filling in that space on the lid as well. Alright, and then just to make sure our wings are hella sharp, I'm going to take a makeup remover wipe, and I like to stick my finger right up in there and get my nail there, and right along the edge there. Alright guys, I went ahead and popped on some lashes. Honestly, I can't remember who these are by, but they are winged out to help exaggerate the look that I'm going for here. So now let's jump in to the face. Taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in Truffle. Look at that. This one's almost gone. But I'm no waster, so I'm taking a pair of tweezers and I'm scraping that out and getting it on my face here. So you know, my trusty dusty knockoff beauty blender. Alright, so we're going to jump back into that NARS concealer to conceal and highlight. In the great words of Biggie Smalls, if you don't know, now you know. I am using my, of course, Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in Banana to set my highlight. To set the rest of the face, I am taking Fiona Styles Invisible List Setting Powder in Miramar. Yeah. First thing I'm going to do is take that Smashbox liner and I am going to line my waterline and I'm going to tight line as well. I'm also dragging this down on the lash line too, because we're gonna smudge it out. Alright, so now we're going to take this angled brush again into the black shadow and I'm going to go along and intensify this more. I'm going into that chocolatey color again and I'm going right underneath with the black. So of course I'm taking my Black Radiance Pressed Powder in Ebony to contour my face. Alright, so I have a crap ton of blush color left on my brush. It's actually some of the pinks and reds from the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. So I'm honestly just going to flush that on my cheeks really quickly. Then I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray because I look powdery AF right now. So I'm going to spray this on first and then I'm going to do my highlight after. Alright, for highlight I'm taking my Sad Broken Monica Dar Fantasy. It's so broken, look at that. Last but not least for lips, I am taking the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink in Pioneer. Alright, so we're going to do one more hit of setting spray. Fan it down. Yes. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching the video. If you like this look, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. That helps me know what to create for you guys. Leave me a comment down below on all of your Valentine's Day plans and subscribe to my channel. While you're subscribing, go ahead and hit that bell so that you get notified every time I upload. Stay beautiful.